Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about the approvals, the purchase approval. So how we can manage. So basically the flow of the purchase approval is, let's say, if we go to the users and let's say we have this user. So let's say this as a purchase user, right? So we have created this user, and here in purchase we given as a user. And now if we go to the admin is a purchase admin, right? So we have two users. And now if we go to purchase configuration and settings, and here you can see purchase order approval. If we check this checkbox, then you can see minimum amount. So I set 5,000 and save. So what actually happen on this? So whenever your purchase like representative create any RFQ purchase order and try to confirm, then this approval workflow will check that the amount is 5,000 or more than 5,000. Then it will go to the approval stage, so the purchase administrator user can verify and approve order, right? And if the order amount is less than 5,000, then your purchase representative can confirm, right? So this is the base configuration we just done. And let's say currently I am on admin side, so I will log out and log in with the purchase representative, right? And I am on this account. I will go to purchase application and create a purchase order. So you can see this vendor, and let's say the product. And let's say if I add amount as 4,500 and I save and confirm. So it's confirmed, right? Because the amount is less than 5,000, right? And if I create a new order and let's say if I set a 5,000 and save and confirm, then you can see it go to approval stage, right? And then if I create another order and if I save and confirm, then I can see this amount, right? So this is how the approval is managing using the normal purchase representative. Now let me log in with admin user and I can see these orders for the approval stage to approve, right? I can go to the purchase and here I can see these three orders created by this purchase representative, right? Purchase user. So I can see this is automatically confirmed because the amount is less than 5,000, and now this is 5,000, so I can approve myself because I am purchase administrator, right? If I approve and it becomes purchase order, right? And then this order also, right, I can approve the order. So this is how the approval in purchase works, right? I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you very much.